students. In this class I will be doing class 9 8th chapter quadrilaterals. Okay, properties I have already explained in my previous video, and two sums I have already completed. Now I will be doing the third sum. Okay, show that the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles. So if you take a quadrilateral, I am naming that quadrilateral as ABCD. If ABCD is a quadrilateral and bisect each other, so the diagonals bisect each other. That means if you take AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD, if the diagonals bisect each other, at right angles, then it is a rhombus. This is a thing we are asked to prove. Okay, so what is given? So given is ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral with diagonals bisect each other. So here AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So angle AOB, this angle AOB is equal to angle BOC is equal to angle COD is equal to angle DOA is equal to 90 degree. So these are the things given. So you are asked to prove that it is a rhombus. You are asked to prove ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, so for proving this, these are the things given. If you prove that the sides are equal, for a rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. That property is already there. Just we need to show that the sides are equal in length. So for proving that, we will take these two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle AOD. So whatever thing they are asked to prove, accordingly we will choose the triangles from the given figure. Okay, so this is the thing we have drawn ABCD. In this we have to prove AB and AD are equal. That is, if one pair of the adjacent sides are equal, then we can say that all the sides are equal. Similarly, it can be proved. So, for proving that the adjacent sides are equal, we are taking these two triangles. So, proof is in triangle AOB and triangle AOB and AOD. These two triangles are taken. So, in these two triangles, already in the question it is given that BO is equal to OD. Diagonals bisect each other. So, BO is equal to OD. This is given in the question. Okay, then angle BOA or AOB and AOD. Angle AOB is equal to angle AOD. That is also given in the question, that it is 90 degree. So two things are there. So two things are equal, we told from the question. That is, angles are equal and this side is equal. And AO is equal to AO. So this is the common side for these two triangles. So by SSS congruency, we can say that triangle AOB is congruent to AOD. So by SSS congruency, two sides and one angle. So SAS. So these two sides and this angle. So by SAS congruency, these two triangles are congruent. So since these two triangles are congruent, by CPCT, we can say that AB is equal to AD. So this is by CPCT. By CPCT, AB is equal to AD. So since AB is equal to AD, that is, the adjacent sides are equal. Similarly, we can say that BC is equal to AD. All the sides accordingly we will say. So if one side, if we are telling that it is equal, then quadrilateral ABCD, then quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. That is the thing we are asked to prove. Quadrilateral ABCD. We are asked to prove that in the given quadrilateral, few conditions are given. We have to show that it is a rhombus. So we have showed that the quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. The sum is that show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So it is given that it is a square. Only that it is given. Three things we are asked to prove. That is, diagonals of a square are equal. First thing is diagonals of the square are equal and bisect each other. It has to be bisected each other at right angles. So these three things we are asked to prove. So it is given that ABCD is a square. So ABCD is a square. We have to prove that AC is equal to BD. Okay, so ABCD is a square that is given in the question. So given ABCD is a square. Given ABCD is a square. Okay, to prove what are the things to be proved? To prove, first one, diagonals is equal. AC is equal to BD. First thing. You have to prove the diagonals are equal. That is, AC is equal to BD. Then, if you take this point as O, AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. That means diagonals bisect each other. So, this is the converse of the previous sum. That's all. So, AC is equal to BD, AO is equal to OC. That is, the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So, angle AOB. Angle AOB. They bisect each other at right angles. So, AOB is equal to 90 degree. So, any one if you say, all others also will be 90 degree. Okay, so any one. So, this is the thing we are asked to prove. Now, we will give the proof for this. So, three different set of triangles we have to take and prove according whatever we are proving. Accordingly, we will take the triangles. Here it is given AC is equal to BC. So, AC is this one, BD is this one. So, we will take the triangles according to that where you are getting those two lines. That's all, simple. So, according to the question, whatever they are asking us to prove, depending upon that question and answer, we will take the triangles. So, here AC is equal to BD. So, AC and BD means you take triangle ABC and triangle BAD. These two triangles we will take. So, proof is, first we will take triangle ABC. So, in triangle ABC and triangle ABC and triangle BAD. Triangle BAD. So, these two triangles we take BAD. This set of triangle, that is BAD is this triangle. This is one set of triangle. The other set of triangle is this one. ABC. So, these two triangles we will take now. Okay. So, in triangle ABC and triangle BAD. So, in ABC and BAD, BC is equal to AD. Okay. BC, they are the sides of the square. So, all the sides of the square are equal in length. So, BC is equal to AD. So, this is given that it is a square. Since it is given, we can write it that BC is equal to AD. One thing. Then, AB is common to both the triangles. So, AB is equal to BA. So, this is common. AB is equal to BA. Okay, so this is common. AB is equal to BA. Then, one more thing is, since it is a square, the angles will be 90 degree. Okay, so the angles in the square, that will be 90 degree. So, angle ABC is equal to angle BAD. So this is given as 90 degree. Angle ABC is equal to angle BAD. So this one is 90 degree, these two sides. So this one by SAS congruency, we can prove that these two triangles are congruent. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD by SAS congruence. Two sides and one angle. By SAS congruence, we can prove that these two triangles are congruent. Since these two triangles are congruent that we have proved, we can say by CPCT, AC is equal to BD. Why? Because AC and BD are one of the sides of that triangle. So this is AC is equal to BD. So this is by CPCT. Okay. Congruent part of corresponding triangles. That is corresponding parts of congruent triangle. CPCT. That's all. So this is first thing we have proved. AC is equal to BD. Then AO is equal to OC. AO is equal to OC. And BO is equal to OD. Simple. From the answer itself, we can take these two triangles. That only we are asked to prove. So we will take, according to that, we will take the triangles. So, in triangle AOB and triangle COD and triangle COD. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. So, these two triangles we will take. So, in these two triangles, AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. So this is sides of the square. So this is given that the given four-sided figure is a square. So AB is equal to CD. That is one thing. Then next one is alternate angles. Since it is a square, opposite sides of the square will be parallel. So since it is parallel, we can say that alternate angles are equal. So which one will be alternate angles? Alternate angles will be OAB. This angle OAB, angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. This is alternate angles. Okay, same way the other side also you will get. Angle OBA and ODC. These two are alternate angles. So two set of alternate angles we will get. So AB is equal to CD that we have proved. Then alternate angles OAB angle OAB is equal to angle OAB is equal to OCD. OCD. So this one is alternate angles. Same way other set of alternate angles also we will get, that is OBA angle OBA is equal to angle ODC. ODC. So this one also will come under alternate angles. So these two angles, these two pair of angles and this included side, with that we can say that by ASA congruency, that is triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by ASA congruence. So by ASA congruence we can say that these two triangles are congruent. So since these two triangles are congruent, we can say that AO is equal to OC. We can say that AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. So this is by CPCT. So this is the second thing they asked us to prove. Diagonals bisect each other. So diagonals bisect each other. So that we have proved. Then one more thing is there. Angle AOB is 90 degree. So for proving that this part of angle we need. This angle we need. So for taking that angle, we will take triangles according to that. So we will take this triangle and this triangle. These two triangles we will take. Those two triangles we take. Okay, so in triangle AOB and triangle AOD. And triangle AOD. In triangle AOB and triangle AOD. So these two triangles we will take. So we can say that AB is equal to AD. So it is given that it is a square. So sides are equal. AB is equal to AD. Then AO is equal to OA. AO is equal to AO. So that is common. AO is equal to AO. So that is common. That is, this is the side and this one is common. Then already we have proved that in the previous one, BO is equal to OD. BO is equal to OD. So this is proved above. We have proved this above. So by SSS congruency, angle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD. So we have proved the congruency of these two triangles. So if you add these two angles, that is not adding, if you take these two angles, those two angles will be equal. That is angle AOB is equal to angle AOD. So this is by CPCT. By CPCT, we can say that angle AOB is equal to angle AOD. Okay, so these two angles are there on a straight line BD. Okay, so if you add these two angles by linear pair, we can say that it is 180 degree. Okay, so angle AOB plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. So this is by linear pair. By linear pair, we can say that these two angles are equal. That is, this angle and this angle are equal by linear pair. But already we told that angle AOB is equal to angle AOD. So we will replace this AOD as AOB. So angle AOB plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so 2 times of angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. So angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So what is the thing? The final thing what we have to prove? We have to prove that angle AOB is 90 degree. So we have proved that angle AOB is 90 degree. So 3 things we have proved. So that is the thing. It is given that it is a square. 3 things you are asked to prove. That is, the diagonals are equal and the diagonals bisect each other and they bisect each other at right angles. So accordingly, we have taken the triangles and we have given the proof. Okay, so with this, I am completing today's class. The remaining sums, I will do it in the next class. So whatever doubts you have, you post me in the message box. Thank you.